So I find myself here at Disney Springs on this randomly windy, awesome November day. We're gonna go meet up with Santa today because it's the holiday season. So let's go have some fun and maybe we'll get blown all the way to the North Pole. Found our way over to Santa's Marketplace. Let's head on in and go see the big jolly guy himself. We get to go see Santa. He hides inside the blacked out door. Going to see Santa. The big man himself is out chilling, giving out Christmas hugs. Santa's chilling. We get to meet him quite next. It's so awesome. Santa's here to welcome us all in. Hi Santa, how are you today?
I'm doing wonderful. How about yourself?
I'm doing jolly myself, my friend. Telling Santa what she wants because she's been quite good. Gotta love that. Awesome kids when they get to see Santa time. Bye Santa, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you as well. Thank you.
And of course, ends in the toy shop as it should. All kinds of cool Christmas goodies in here. Literally, those cute Stitches. That's our Stitchy, our Stitchiverse. And everybody else. Literally love this. Such a fun little room in here with Santa. Super fun. Chocolate cracker, chocolate goodness. All kinds of chocolateness literally everywhere. Love that. Well, thank you guys for watching this random adventure to go see Santa here at Disney Springs with my friend the Litz family. Say hi. Hey. They said hi, but they're still kind of shy in either way. But hey, it's always a snowflake that way. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, as you never know what other random things I might film for you. Love you all. Peace.